In this video, we'll explore how to use Perplexity AI to analyze user sentiment about a product. Understanding what people are saying about your product, identifying pain points, and gauging overall feedback is crucial for making informed decisions and improving your offering. We'll walk through how you can leverage Perplexity AI to gather and analyze this feedback. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use Perplexity AI for product sentiment analysis. First thing is defining your objective. Start by clearly defining what you want to learn about your product. Are you interested in general user sentiment, specific pain points, or feedback from particular platforms like Reddit or YouTube? Second thing is formulating your query. Create a query that will yield relevant results. For example, you want to know about user experiences with Perplexity AI. For this, you might ask, I am the founder of Perplexity. I want to know more about what people are saying about the product and if there are any pain points we don't address. Then you click on this academic button and choose anything that you like. Enter your query into Perplexity AI and then you can choose to search across the entire web or focus on specific platforms like Reddit or YouTube. For this, I am going to select this all, which searches across the entire internet, and then press enter. So after you enter your query into Perplexity AI, you can choose to search across the entire web or focus on specific platforms. And then Perplexity AI will provide a summary of user feedback, highlighting both positive aspects and areas for improvements too. So it has accessed all these sources, which are Product Hunt, Kimola, Perplexity, and two more, which includes Lenny Newsletter and G2. Then it says, Perplexity has garnered a generally positive reception among users, with a rating of 4.75 out of 5 on Product Hunt based on 44 reviews. Users appreciate its unique features, including the ability to provide real-time information with citations, a user-friendly interface, and its effectiveness on a research tool. And then it talks about the positive feedback, which has user experience, functionality, and integration and versatility. And the pain points are quality of results. Some users have reported that the results can lack depth and quality, particularly for more complex research needs. And then comes the performance issues. So there are complaints about the app's performance, including sluggishness and occasional crashes. And then comes the feature discrepancies. Users have noted that the app version lacks many features available on the website, leading to frustration among those who expect a consistent experience across platforms. And lastly, short answers. Some feedback indicates that answers can be too brief and not sufficiently detailed. So yeah, overall, while Perplexity is well regarded for its innovative features and user experience, addressing the highlighted pain points could further enhance user satisfaction. So to get a more detailed view, you can narrow your search to specific platforms like Reddit or academic. This will give you a closer look at user opinions and discussions. Let's try another example. It's about general web feedback. For this, you can type a query that says, what are people saying about Perplexity AI and what are the main pain points mentioned? So Perplexity AI will gather feedback from various sources. For example, it will use CNET, ClipUp, Product Hunt, and many more. So it says the strengths of Perplexity AI, and then it discusses the limitations. Then it says overall, while Perplexity AI has impressive capabilities in areas like coding, math, and providing reliable information, it has still room for improvements in handling complex science topic problem solving and generating long-form content. So yeah, Perplexity AI has a high rating of 4.79 out of 5. User appreciates its accurate responses and lack of hallucinations. The user interface integration with Wolfram and illusion of provenance are well received. The criticisms received are that some users find it struggles with complex scientific topics outside of math, and some complaints about response length and customer service issues were noted too. And to address specific criticisms, you might ask, how can Perplexity AI improve in handling complex scientific queries? This will provide targeted suggestions for enhancements. So let's read it together. It says Perplexity AI currently struggles with complicated science topics that are not explicitly stated in the search results, outside of math problems that can be solved with Wolfram Alpha. And then comes that while Perplexity AI provides a concise, detailed responses, it lacks the problem-solving capabilities, and also improve cross-references and fast-checking, and develop science-specific search modules, and so on. So moving on, you can say, what do YouTube reviewers say about Perplexity AI? Include both positive and negative reviews. For this, let's go on home and type our query, which is what do YouTuber reviewers say about Perplexity AI? Include both positive reviews and criticisms. And then let's focus on videos. And then press enter. Now Perplexity AI will collect and summarize feedback from YouTube videos. For instance, reviewers highlighting the innovative features and ease of use, and criticisms like some reviewers mention occasional issues with response accuracy and interface inconsistencies. So you can see that it has used all the YouTube sources, different videos, and then it says the positive reviews are that they appreciate Perplexity AI's ability to produce comprehensive answers and its focused search features. And then it has a user-friendly interface, accuracy and reliability, useful features, and so on. The criticisms are the performance issues, and not a complete replacement for Google, and then limited features for advanced users, and the cost, of course. So to address specific feedback, you can ask like, what are the most frequently mentioned issues in YouTube reviews, and so on. So this will provide actionable insights for product improvement. Moving on to using additional features. If you want to focus on specific types of feedback, you can define your query like, you can ask what are users saying about Perplexity AI's customer service on Reddit. So this will particularly focus on the Reddit feature, and use related queries to dig deeper into specific aspects of user feedback. So yeah, that's a wrap up of our guide on using Perplexity AI for product sentiment analysis. By following these steps, you can gain valuable insights into how users perceive your product, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions to enhance your offerings.